Hey man.
Hey man.
Ricky?
Yeah.
Hey.
Cool.
There you go.
Thank you.
All good?
Yep.
What's going on, guys? So I have a new product here for review. It's from my own car, from my own vehicle. It's from a company called 4Bumpers. They're located in New York City. They haven't paid me for this advertising. Basically, I bought this with my own money. And I just want to keep my bumper kind of safe during the New York street parking. And every time I'm driving, I get, I get uneasy leaving the car. So this is the thing I picked up. Again, first impressions, this thing is heavy. The whole frame itself, it's steel. And how it works is you mount it on like a regular plate cover, and you got this bulge right here. Alright, and it's not gonna hurt the other car because this rubber piece is really high quality. My problem right now is, my concern is to get beefier screws to go ahead and hold this against the bumper, because you don't want weak screws and have this kind of just falling out, or possibly even theft. So I have to go for a unique pattern, hopefully. But yeah, so just a short review. It's basically what you see is what you get. Alright, so now I'm out in the car, and basically what I'm gonna do is just create anchors, so that I already got the one on the right, so let's do the one on the left, so that everything is held on securely. That's the most important part. Alright, so, and this is how it looks. As you could tell, I wrapped the I wrapped the plate holder cover because I figured it would look a lot better. Alright guys, so here is a finished product. Let's take a look from the top. Facing downwards. You get a view from the side at an angle. Alright, so it protrudes quite a bit, probably like 2 inches, 2.5. And the rubber seal is really good quality. Let's take a look from the other side, from the bottom. And I had to position it where this could go up, or you could flip it around and this could go in the bottom. But for the Golf, it's such a low vehicle in terms of where the license plate is placed from factory, that I flipped it around to make it further up, and I think that's the most ideal positioning for our type of vehicles. Alright, let me close this from behind and let me start the vehicle inside, so you guys have an idea. Initially while I was installing, I was afraid it's going to go ahead and set off the parking sensors while the vehicle is in reverse. So let's go ahead and take a look. Luckily everything is fine. It does not set off the parking sensors. And also, the good thing about leaving it silver would be the fact that, excuse the cones, I just have the cones there for something else. But the silver part right here kind of makes you aware of what you're backing into, because now you have to kind of adjust for the extra 2 to 3 inches in the back, so you don't run into some sort of concrete wall in the back where you're backing up into a tight space. So having the silver here, and the fact that our backup camera is in the hatch emblem, makes us aware of this whole situation. So I might just let it stick, or let the color stay silver, but overall, as you could tell, no problems with the backup sensors going on or off. And overall, that's that. It's a quick review of the 4Bumpers. This is the Prime that they call it. They have a Duo, which they have on each side, and I think the Prime Plus is one on the top, one on the bottom. I decided to go against it because, well, first it's more expensive, but secondly, I think it's too much of an eyesore. Some of you may already think this is an eyesore itself, so but for me, 2 of these would not be the most ideal. So I'm going to end the video with a view of the unit itself as a whole from further away. And yeah, thanks again guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.